Okay, children, now the next topic we are talking about is somatic hybridization. Now, children, what do you mean by the word somatic hybridization, children? If you see somatic hybridization, we are talking about two terms, somatic and hybridization. Hybridization, children, you know this means mixing of the two cells. Somatic here means that I try to mix two cells. So, children, if I take one potato cell and one tomato cell and I try to mix both of them, you know that they will never fuse. If I go from my according to my traditional hybridization technique, selection of the parents, then emasculation, bagging, this will not work. The reason being, children, because you know potato does not reproduce by flowers. Okay, it reproduces by tubers, whereas tomato produces flower. So even if I go for emasculation, bagging, etc., the hybrid will not be able to produce. So this method I cannot apply for somatic hybridization. So now how to go in for somatic hybridization without using this conventional method of hybridization? So the best way is I go with a new technique which is called somatic hybridization. I take two somatic cells. This is a somatic cell of potato. Purple one is a somatic cell of tomato. Now what I do is I treat both the cells with cellulase and pectinase. Now what will cellulase and pectinase do, children? It will dissolve the cell wall. So when the cell wall is dissolved, children, I get a protoplast of plant's potato cell, and I get a protoplast of the tomato cell also. Now what I do is, again if I want to fuse both of them, children, see here CW stands for cell wall, CM stands for cell membrane, and here also see I have made two walls, cell wall and cell membrane. But if I see in the protoplast, children, the protoplast is devoid of cell wall, only cell membrane is left. Now even if I mix both these cells, I place it in a nutrient medium, these two cells will never fuse. The reason why these two cells will never fuse is because they don't have a tendency, they belong to two different plants. They are not same plants, so their genes are not same. This is also diploid chromosomes. This nucleus also has diploid chromosomes, so they'll not fuse. So next thing I do is I make a culture medium, and in that culture medium I add both the cells, and to make them fuse I put a chemical which is called fusogen. And an example of fusogen is PEG. Now PEG stands for polyethylene glycol, or I can give a mild electric current. So the moment I place these two protoplasts in a culture medium that has got fusogen, which is either PEG, which is polyethylene glycol, or a mild electric current, what will happen is the two cell membranes will fuse, and as a result I get a cell which has the nucleus of both the cells. See, purposely I use two colored pens, children. So green is the cell of potato and purple is the cell of tomato. So what I do is I fuse both I get a cell which has nucleus of both the cells, and this cell is called heterokaryon. Hetero means different, karyons mean nucleus, and then gradually the two cells are made to fuse and you get a hybrid. And what is this hybrid called, children? This hybrid is called pomato. And children, they have done it in this way. This is an experiment that they have done it. They have taken all the pains to develop this pomato, but unfortunately pomato is not at all successful. Reason is because whatever the scientists had thought that the pomato will have that desirable characters, unfortunately that desirable characters are missing from pomato. So this entire process of making this pomato has gone waste. So if you see, children, the distinguishing feature of the product pomato is, children, that it has got the nucleus of both the cells and the protoplasm and the cytoplasm also of both the cells, because we are mixing the entire content. That means we are mixing both the contents, protoplast of this also, tomato also, and protoplast of tomato also, potato also and tomato also. So this is a somatic hybrid. It is not a hybrid which is obtained from conventional methods of bagging, emasculation and everything. This is a hybrid which is obtained by fusing somatic cells of two different plants.